Direct to me, everything is going. You declare me to the people to see me. Yesterday, everywhere I go, many people to look about my life. I know only you to bless me. I wanted to live my life to you. Oh my God, I try every day to compose myself to me. I live everything to you. You can declare me. There are many people to see me in a different way. You, I'll play every day. I need you a blessing. Oh, it's done everything from morning to evening. Sometimes I'm worrying that things gonna bad me. I hear myself from you. You never forget me. You are holy to bless the people. I believe you never forget me. I may pray to you, Father, don't forget me. Oh. The enemies slander me to destroy my things. I believe you never forget me. I was there to play to you every time. Oh, my one everything to you. You can show me the thing. You never forget me. It is my time. Oh. You listen. You defend me. You defend me all time. My enemies to slander me, to destroy my things every time. Oh, I pray to you, Father, wanna bless me. You never forget me. Oh. Sometimes I'm worrying for myself. I'm thinking I wanna hear the message from you. Say you never forget me. Yesterday, everywhere I'm going, there are many people still look at me. I'm not understanding. You can do me the different way. The people to see me depression.